Same pathways, different outcomes. Ibuprofen and meloxicam slow cartilage repair. Turmeric doesn't.
Hi, I'm Dr. Deb Westergaard. Today I want to clarify a point that creates a lot of confusion. Both NSAIDs and turmeric, or curcumin, affect the COX-1 and COX-2 pathways. That part is true. But here's the critical difference. NSAIDs block those pathways in a way that also suppresses the signals your cartilage needs to repair itself. Over time, that can slow healing and even accelerate cartilage loss. Curcumin modulates the same pathways, but it does not interfere with regenerative signaling. Its strong antioxidant activity actually supports cartilage resilience instead of breaking it down. If you want long-term joint preservation, not just temporary relief, your treatment plan needs to reflect that difference. Schedule your consultation with me to explore regenerative options that protect your cartilage